channel. Today I am cleaning up my bathroom, giving it a good scrub cleaning, and I am about to get it spring ready. So if you want to see how I got the bathroom here, then definitely keep watching. But first, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, let's jump straight into the cleaning. The first thing that I'm doing is cleaning off the sink. The sink is the highest traffic area in my bathroom because everybody uses the sink. So I love to clean with an abrasive cleaner, and that is the Ajax cleaner. I sprinkle a little bit everywhere, and then I also am going to use the Mrs. Myers to spray down the sink, and also my toilet bowl cleaner as well. I love using multiple products, and I have been aware lately that I should be careful so that I don't get a chemical burn to my lungs. And I appreciate everybody who was in my comments letting me know that, because I did not know that. I have just been doing what my family taught me since I was a little girl. But I appreciate you guys and thank you so much. If you guys notice, I always switch up my hands so that I'm working out not just my right arm, but also my left arm as well. Because whoever said that cleaning is exercising was so right. So that's why now I take pride in cleaning my own home, and it's a lot of exercise. And guess what? I find myself pulling stuff out and cleaning even more just because I have the energy to do it. Now, right here, guys, I always use a little bit of chlorine bleach to clean out the toilet to combat some of those germs. Also, I have taken you guys' advice and I am using gloves to actually wipe and clean the toilet. Even though I wash my hands thoroughly afterwards, I'm always open to suggestions and ideas because I take them to heart. And again, I appreciate you guys. My mom always told me that you have to scrub your toilet clean because everybody is sitting their bottoms there, so you want to make sure that they aren't contracting anything by sitting on a nasty toilet. So I'm a stickler for a clean toilet. I created a playlist on my YouTube channel and I will share it with you guys. And if you're into R&B and pop music, it's what I use, and I listen to it while I'm cleaning. So on this shelf, at this point, you see me straightening up the shelf. Actually, at the end of the video, when I'm actually putting together the new colors and stuff, you'll see that I completely emptied this shelf because it's starting to hold too much junk and it's ridiculous. But guys, I did go out and get me a sponge mop to help me to get down instead of getting on my knees to clean the toilet. The tub. I did take heed to that. Now, previously, I did have a like a little sponge with an extension on it, and I cannot find it. So I did go to Dollar Tree and pick this sponge up, and it was amazing. And I was able to clean the tub quickly and also not hurt my back. So thanks, guys. Now I like to get over in the tub and clean out that shelf area. The shelf keeps falling, so I'm going to figure out how to keep it from falling. So that's why I haven't put much up there. And also, I'm having an issue with my toothbrush rack. So all of these toothbrushes are from my nieces and nephews, my son, my daughter, and the yellow one is mine. And it's time to just throw everything out and start over new with the toothbrushes. A lot of people ask me where did I get this tissue holder from, and I got it from either Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and it was only $14.99. I'm thinking no more than $19.99. Okay, guys, so the bathroom is done and I am finished cleaning it. So now the next thing I want to do, I want to start putting it spring ready, and I'm going to empty this entire shelf. So I went to Burlington and I picked up a few things, and I want to share that with you guys next. So here we have these pink metal flowers, and they're so cute. $16.99. It was an okay deal, but I just love how these flowers are multi-dimensional. Also, I love the fact that they have a metal. They are made out of a metal material, and it's very easy to hang them as they are already prepared to be hung. So this was a really good buy, and I have to figure out what wall. Now this next one, this planet grass like, I love it. I love the fact that the planter is heavy. $12.99 was a steal for it as well. But I love the grass. It reminds me of spring. And now this one is the prettiest one to me of them all. I actually got this for $6.99, and the reason being it has like a little crack on it, but the flowers are beautiful and the crack wasn't much. But if you turn this flower around, there is actually a broken piece off the back, but you can't see it, and the scratch is so small. But also I'm going to share with you that broken piece, you can't see it because the petal is over it. So it was, I forgot the price, but I got 30% off, and it totaled $6.99 final sale. Well, guys, you saw that in previous videos I was having issues with my toothbrush holder. Well, I decided to pick up these two tumblers, and they were only $2.99, and one would make a good toothbrush holder and the other one would make a good rinse cup. So yeah, these would look good on the sink. My absolute favorite of everything that I've purchased is this beautiful pink mason jar. The white flowers really set it off, and the price was perfect, and I can't wait to set it out in the bathroom. So last but not least, I love this beautiful two-piece canvas art set. Now I picked this up from Family Dollar, not Burlington. It was only $5. And even though it's talking about coffee, I think it's going to be beautiful and pop against the wall in the bathroom. So guys, I'm excited to put these up. Let's get started, and I'm going to put everything together and let you see how the bathroom turned out. Well, here we are, guys. I'm so excited about how this turned out. This pink in the bathroom is so beautiful, and it's so feminine and girly, and I love my little rugs. I bought these from Target, and they were not expensive at all. Now, the shower curtain. The shower curtain came from Burlington, and I paid $12.99 for this shower curtain. And I love the little pops of fuchsia in them. And next to it, look at these pictures. How gorgeous are they against this gray wall? I think I nailed it, guys. And then for a furthermore pop of color, I added the pink bath towel. Now over here the lighting got weird, but this is that flowering can I got from Target, and I filled it with Dollar Tree pink tulips. Also down here, I like that everything that was in this window is inside the pink box. My Bath and Body Works sleep products that I use at night are off to the side with this beautiful arrangement in silver. And as you can see, everything that I use on a daily basis is inside the pink basket. Now the sink is so simple but so cute. I love the tumblers for my toothbrush holder and rinse cup. This sweet pea candle smells amazing. The Peach Bellini by Bath and Body Works soap is a great addition as well. Now in this gray storage basket is a body towel and some washcloths and also some Dollar Tree pink roses. And here are the beautiful budding pink flowers against this gray wall. This is where I decided to put them, and I think they're in a perfect spot. The rack on the wall, I got everything out of it and it looks amazing as well. So the bathroom came together great, guys, and I am so proud of it. So this is what the bathroom looked like before I started cleaning and adding a little spring flair to it. The shelf was horrible and I'm glad I changed it. And this is what it looks like now. Guys, this is one of the best spring refreshes I've done thus far, and I'm excited to do more for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like and share the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next cleaning video really soon. Bye, guys.